My name is Ethen, and what I learned from this workshop was to have the ability to identify the suffering state, what I have, the suffering state or the beautiful state. From this, I also learned the different techniques of meditation, such as serene mind and soul sync, which allows me to be able to stay much more calm and peaceful. Usually a suffering state, which allows me to know that I can, which I also learned from this workshop, that I can change that and become a better person. I also liked a lot of the workshop schemes, such as musical chairs, which was very fun and interesting.